models if possible of a product or service, and launch all these and identify which one performed better. If you have 3 variants and if you identify which one is performing better, you save a hell lot of time, you save a hell lot of energy, and there is a risk your customers might not be happy. You cannot make all 3 ABC customer happy, because you know that one of the product is good and the other version is not good, right? Or in comparison it is not as good. So you can offer that customer who is not happy some additional benefits, something, so that everything gets on par. You have to be, being an entrepreneur, you have to be ready, you have to take the risk. The risk has to be the risk of reputation. And I always say reputation is the new currency, right? You can buy anything from this. Dollar, rupee, all other fiat currencies are old currency. Reputation is the new currency. That is the currency which will give you anything. There are things you might not be able to buy through money, but through reputation you can buy that, right? So we have to focus upon reputation, but in startups this is the risk you have to take. You have to take the risk of your reputation, because you might have to launch something which is not ready for the market. You might have to launch a product which is not perfect, and imperfection is the key of being an entrepreneur. Why? Because this is coming from the invention and innovation side, and when you are inventing something you have to do experiments, right? Experiment itself means that it is not perfect. You don't know what is going to work, you have to keep trying. So if you are experimenting for 100 times and one time it is accepted, then 99 times you have lost your reputation, right? But if you are willing to take that risk, most welcome, become an entrepreneur. If not, then become a businessman or businesswoman or lalaji ki dukaan, because that is the real case. I have seen entrepreneurs not taking this risk. They think they are a brand from day one. That's not possible. That is not at all possible. You have to think like you are not anything. You are just an experimenter, just a scientist, taking out in something which is not there, trying to do something better through experiments. And if you are able to, automatically you are accepted. And once your customer is with you, customer will tell you what to do, what to make, and you just have to hear that customer. You get success every day. And that's how entrepreneurs, that means people working in startups, have to think. Because here, just like in our organization at StartupLanes, we have, each one of us, every person working in StartupLanes is an entrepreneur, have the same mindset. They, even the interns, they think like managers. They have independent decision making. This is a part of our culture. So you must have seen in big organization, no matter the size, very big organization, I have seen, noticed it myself. You work like a machine. You have an SOP, you follow that SOP, what to do, what not to do, being just like, you know, a pilot. You know how to operate that aircraft, but you still have to follow 10-15 steps before just starting, right? It's just like, you know, uh, a sadhu baba or a mythological man doing a lot of mantras before starting the work. So similarly, they also do follow a lot of SOPs. Here in our organization, we have a very simple system: make mistakes and enjoy. Galti karo, maze karo. Right? That is what we tell everyone. Make mistake, enjoy. That's it. Does not matter. And we enjoy all the mistakes our people make, we make. And that's how we are making the system perfect. Because, and it is okay to make the same mistakes. Right? We are very happy, in fact, in the entire organization.